lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So today's video is going to be my first ever Urbanic haul. So आजकल मैं काफी यूट्यूबर्स को देख रही हूँ Urbanic पे वीडियोस बनाते हुए एंड शीन के जाने के बाद से ना एकदम से जब Urbanic आया so everyone started talking about Urbanic and I never tried Urbanic before. So मैंने फाइनली इस बार सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं थोड़ी Urbanic से शॉपिंग करूँ और उनकी क्लोथ्स ट्राई करूँ because the styles that they have are super trendy. काफी अच्छे styles है and you can say that it has become like the new Shein of India. So I'm going to share with you guys my haul first and then towards the end of the video I will be sharing with you guys a few pointers जो मैंने लिख के रखे हैं, you know, about my experience and about the clothes quality and everything that I have to share in terms of reviewing Urbanic, you can say. I'm really excited for this haul and yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Alright, so before we start with the haul, let me quickly tell you that everything that I got is under 500 rupees. So we can say that this Urbanic haul is under 500 rupees and is extremely affordable. Now the first thing that I got is this tank vest that I'm wearing. Now this says 90s baby. Obviously I was born in the 90s and as soon as I saw this on Urbanic I was like ये तो लेना ही पड़ेगा and I think it looks really nice. Now this is like a crop tank vest and जो cotton की quality है ना, that is also very nice. Now one thing that I really like about this tank vest is that it is not see-through. मतलब अंदर I'm actually wearing a black bra and you guys can see that the bra is not showing. This is such a nice material. आगे से इसका neck भी मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा. So yeah, that's the first thing that I got. The next thing that I got is this frill top. It's like a neon green top. मुझको वेबसाइट पे ना उतना ज्यादा neon लग तो नहीं रहा था, but when I received it तो ये थोड़ा सा like neon touch में है. Not that much कि एकदम ऐसे चटाक आंखों में लगे neon color, but you know it belongs to the neon family only. Now I really like the frill detailing on the shoulders plus on the sleeves and also in the front. It is so pretty. It's like a very cute top that I really like. Now the quality is it's like a nice rib material, you can see. I love how this fits me. मैंने इसको अपनी last video में पहना था and it just looks so cute. Now before we move forward with the haul, let me quickly take a moment and talk about my backdrop. I just love this backdrop first of all to record videos, but it is not only a backdrop, it's mainly my relaxing space because I got a new mattress for my pallet bed and it's like sometimes you can say my editing space also. बड़े cozy में बैठ के आराम से editing कर लेती हूँ. Then I sometimes sleep here as well whenever I wrap up the shoot late at night, so I just sleep in my studio only. So मुझको एक single bed चाहिए था but मुझे proper bed भी नहीं चाहिए था, which is why I decided to go for these pallets. So I actually wanted like a super comfortable mattress for this pallet bed and obviously जो pallet bed का idea है, I took inspiration from Pinterest obviously. I actually got my hands on this single bed plus mattress from Sleepy Cat. It's like a premium mattress for those who wants like a soft and cushiony feel. Now I got this mattress recently and I'm just obsessed because of how comfortable and good quality the mattress is. I'm just gonna insert a few clips when we unboxed the mattress. Sleepy Cat is an Indian brand and also the first brand to introduce mattress in a box, and they offer a wide range of mattresses, pillows and comforters. They also have a 10-year warranty for their mattresses, free shipping as well as 30 days free trial, and also they have a 0% EMI option. This single bed mattress has an 8-inch height, so it's perfect for my pallet bed. You know, whenever we sleep now, we sometimes tend to feel hot, but it's not the case with this mattress because it has a 2-inch gel memory foam which helps to distribute the body weight evenly and also helps to reduce the amount of heat. It also has high density foam support layer which is going to make the mattress long lasting and durable. Lastly, it comes with a smart zipper cover for easy care. So मैंने तो अपने लिए single bed वाली mattress ली है, but they do have other options as well, so you can, you know, choose the size of your mattress according to the size of your bed. And that's not it guys, I actually got 2 pillows as well from Sleepy Cat. So the first pillow is their memory foam pillow. First of all guys, इस पे मेरे initial stitch हुए हुए हैं which is so cool. आप लोग भी same ऐसा, you know, अपने initial stitch करवा सकते हो. Now this pillow has an air gel memory foam which actually keeps the head and neck aligned while you sleep, and it is quite breathable too. And the second pillow is actually a cuddle pillow. I was so excited for this pillow because I never saw a pillow like this before. So it's basically a full body pillow. You can just hug it and sleep comfortably. I'm actually a side sleeper and I love the fact that it provides full body support. Hugging this and sleeping is such a calming and cozy feeling, you guys. I cannot even explain. And it also comes with a soft pillow cover, which is quite breathable. And lastly, for a good night's sleep, I also got a reversible comforter from Sleepy Cat. This is an all-season comforter, which is very lightweight, feels super duper soft. The baffle box design keeps the fiber in place, and the best part is, guys, कि एकदम wrinkle resistant है. So आप इसको जैसे भी लेके सोओगे ना, बिल्कुल इस पे बाद में wrinkles नहीं आने वाले हैं. And I really like these basic colors, white and grey. Overall, the comforter feels very comfy and cozy. You know, a comfortable sleep after a long, tiring shoot day is all I need, and I'm so happy with my sleep essentials from Sleepy Cat. I sleep peacefully at night without any discomfort, all thanks to Sleepy Cat, of course. I would highly recommend you guys to check out all the amazing products that I mentioned from Sleepy Cat. So I'm going to leave the links of all the products in the description box below for you guys. I also have a coupon code which you can use to get some extra discount. I'm going to flash the code on the screen for you guys, so you can use this code to avail some extra discount on Sleepy Cat's website. And now let's just continue with the haul. So the next thing that I got is actually a boxy crop tee. It's a beautiful tie-dye t-shirt in a lavender color. I'm just getting obsessed with tie-dye t-shirts these days because I feel काफी ज़्यादा trend में चल रहे हैं. Now I really like the tie-dye texture, as in it's not very intense. It's like blended with the white, so it looks absolutely beautiful. The cotton quality is wow. I mean, this is such a good quality, I must say, and I got this size एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज यू नो बॉक्सी फिट है, सो मैंने इसलिए इसको एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल में मंगवाया है, एंड आई थिंक काफी अच्छे से मुझे फिट आने वाला है ये. अनदर वन इज अगेन अ टैंक वेस्ट, बट इट्स लाइक अ वेरी सेक्सी टैंक वेस्ट, यू कैन से. सो इट्स बेसिकली दिस ब्लैक कलर की टैंक वेस्ट. दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. नाउ इसका ना ऊपर से हाई नेक टर्टल नेक दिया हुआ है, अगेन कट स्लीव्स है, एंड साइड से इसका ना ये रूज डिटेलिंग दी हुई है, ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग डिटेलिंग एंड ऑल. इसका जो मटेरियल है ना, अगेन इट्स अ रिब टेक्सचर विच आई रियली लाइक. This is a very basic black color, but honestly I just love the style of this top, which is why I got this. Now the next top that I got is actually this zebra print pullover, and again इसकी भी side में वही rouge वाला detailing है with the same drawstrings on both the sides, and it's basically this full sleeves pullover. Now I'm aware of this fact कि अब animal print उतना ज़्यादा नहीं रहा है trend में, but मुझको ना for some reason ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था Urbanic app पे on the model, so which is why I got this. And again I'm just really liking that side rouge वाला पैटर्न ना with drawstrings on both the sides. तो मुझे इसका zebra print काफी ज्यादा सेक्सी लग रहा था, which is why I got this. And also सामने से इसका ऐसे नेक दिया हुआ है. The next thing that I got is again a t-shirt. ये वाला जो t-shirt है ना, मैंने इतनी इसकी एड्स देख ली है YouTube पे, मतलब मैं क्या ही बताऊं. And it's very famous. मैं थोड़ा सा दिखाऊंगी, आपको पता चल जाएगा. I know ये दीदी वाला जो प्रिंट है काफी ज्यादा फेमस हुआ पड़ा है Urbanic पे, काफी एड्स भी आती रहती है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द टी शर्ट लुक्स लाइक. इसका बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे कंफर्टेबल सा वाइब है, विच आई रियली लाइक. प्लस द ग्राफिक प्रिंट इज अगेन वेरी वेरी cool. I love the material. It is so soft. It's definitely not pure cotton. It's like mixed with some other sort of a fabric. So आपको मैंने tops तो सारे दिखा दिए हैं. Now we're just left with 2 jewelry pieces that I bought. I really like the packaging. First of all, काफी अच्छे से ziplock bag में आते हैं. And I'll just show you the earrings first that I got. So जो earrings लिए ना मैंने, ये butterfly dangler earrings हैं, and मुझको काफी ज्यादा cute लगे and dainty लगे. मुझे starting से ना ऐसे butterfly necklaces, butterfly clips and all काफी अच्छे लगते थे. In fact, I do own a couple of butterfly necklaces. So मुझे butterfly charm in general काफी अच्छा लगता है, which is why I got this. Now, इसका जो गोल्ड का जो पॉलिश है ना, बेसिकली इट्स नॉट अ वेरी येलो वाली वो जो टैकी सी पॉलिश नहीं होती है, वैसी नहीं है, विच आई रियली लाइक बिकॉज आई जस्ट हेट दैट टैकी येलो पॉलिश. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छी लगती है, काफी ज्यादा चीप क्वालिटी लगता है फिर ज्वेलरी, यू नो. बट इसका ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, काफी अच्छा सुंदर रॉयल दिखने वाला इसका गोल्ड पॉलिश है. सो आई जस्ट रियली लाइक दिस क्यूट छुटकू इयररिंग्स. नाउ आई ऑल्सो गॉट दिस मून चार्म का नेकलेस. क्लियरली यू गाइज कैन सी दैट आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ मून चार्म्स. मुझे काफी अच्छे लगते हैं मून चार्म्स, चाहे वो डेकोर हो, चाहे वो ज्वेलरी हो, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, मुझको काफी अच्छे लगते हैं मून चार्म्स, विच इज वाई मैंने इस बार मून चार्म वाला ये बड़ा प्यारा सा ना नेकलेस लिया है. एंड बड़ा क्यूट सा इसका मून चार्म है. अगेन इट्स वेरी वेरी डेंटी, लुक्स वेरी वेरी शीक. नाउ इसका भी जो गोल्ड पॉलिश है ना, दिस इज ऑफ सच अ नाइस color, again not a very tacky yellow जो हमको बाकी brands में देखने को मिलता है. And with that I'm done with my first ever Urbanic haul under 500 rupees. Let me know in the comments down below अगर आपको और ऐसे affordable Urbanic hauls देखने हैं तो. Now I'm just gonna quickly discuss a few pointers about my first time experience and basically I'm gonna share a mini review about Urbanic. First and the most important thing कि delivery में कितना time लगा. So I placed my order on the 5th of August and I received my parcel on the 19th of August. So you can say that exact 2 weeks लगे मुझको अपना parcel receive करने में. I have heard from a lot of people कि 3 weeks भी लग जाते हैं and 20-25 days लग जाते हैं. But luckily मेरे केस में इतना ज़्यादा time नहीं लगा. मुझे exact 2 weeks में अपना parcel receive हो गया था. The second thing is the packaging. So basically हर top मुझको ऐसे plastic के ziploc bags में receive हुआ था. Obviously it's not a nice option for the environment like plastic and all. But I feel you can definitely reuse these plastic ziploc bags because इनकी quality is काफी good. Let's move on to the next point which is about quality of the products. I feel Urbanic के कपड़ों की quality is definitely very good. जो भी चीजें मुझे receive हुई हैं, be it the clothes or the jewelry, मुझे दोनों की quality काफी ज्यादा अच्छी लगी है. Not talking about the price point of the products, I definitely feel that some products are overpriced whereas some products are worth the money. So इस haul के लिए तो मैंने specifically under 500 वाली ही चीजें मंगवाई हैं. I'm like very much happy and satisfied with my purchase, but I definitely saw a lot of pieces जो कि बिल्कुल भी उनका उतना वर्थ नहीं है. So you can just wait for sales and you can just avail the coupon codes that we get on Urbanic and ऐसे ही आप affordable चीजें ले सकते हो just like me. Next point is photo versus reality. Now I think 80% of the products are exact similar as shown in the picture, but when it comes to this frill green top and this t-shirt, ये दोनों ही actual में थोड़े से bright है. Actually काफी ज्यादा bright है as compared to what I saw in the picture. So मुझे दोनों की ना काफी dull से and pastel से colors लग रहे थे, but in reality it almost looks like a neon color you can say. But other than these two things, everything is exact same. And now I just want to tell you one last thing. जितना मैं खुश हूँ ना अपने purchases से, मैं थोड़ी सी disappointed भी हूँ Urbanic से because I actually ordered 9 products in total and my bill amount was 3086 rupees for 9 products. The thing is that एक top actually जो बड़ा प्यारा सा baby pink color का top मैंने मंगवाया था, ऑर्डर किया था, but it actually got cancelled on its own and मैंने काफी दिन बाद जाके देखा कि वो उन्होंने cancel करा हुआ है and लिखा हुआ है that your money will be refunded in 3 to 5 working days. Now I got the money, but tell me the reason कि why did you cancel my top, my product. I wanted that top. It was a very cute top, So obviously बात है यार, मैं दोबारा से तो वो एक टॉप ऑर्डर नहीं करने वाली हूँ ना. So बस मुझे इसी का थोड़ा दुख हुआ कि यार एक प्रोडक्ट उन्होंने खुद कैंसिल कर दिया एंड मनी रिफंड कर दी मुझको. तो ये मुझे थोड़ी सी डिसअपॉइंटेड चीज लगी, बट ओवरऑल आई एम एक्चुअली हैप्पी विद माई फर्स्ट एवर Urbanic shopping and the experience. In case you want to check out any products from this video, the links are there in the description box below for you guys. Also don't forget to check out Sleepy Cat products. Again उसके भी सारे links नीचे description box में mentioned है. And if you enjoyed watching my first ever Urbanic haul, then please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, I would be leaving all the links for you in the description box below as always. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.